I'm Jorge with Operation Blessing. We've been here about 3 days after the Hurricane Maria hit the island. It came in through this area and it just kind of went out this way. And that kind of has been our working, kind of like a working pattern in the island, not only distributing the filters, but also we have generators that we're donating to certain communities. We are rebuilding some roofs and some houses, some buildings, some businesses also. We distributed some solar lights also for people who didn't have any power. There's still about a third of the island that has no power, so we still have a lot of way to go. We've also installed some sand sticks, which are Clorox makers. We've installed them in San Juan area, we've installed them in Guaynabo, Carolina also, kind of like just the big areas of the island where there's a lot of people, the metro area, and they just would go and they have their water and take it home. We've checked around the island, most of the, there's water pipes that are coming out of the stone because Puerto Rico is mountainous. And we've checked most of them in the island. They're safe to drink. The ones that are not, we still haven't found one that is not safe to drink. But we have stickers that we are always carrying with us. So if we find a water source that is not drinkable, put a sticker there and tell people that they're not drinkable. So we're working on Humacao, Yabucoa, Mount Nabo, Las Piedras, San Lorenzo. We're just kind of working our way, same as the hurricane did. In Humacao, we donated 6 boats to the Fishermen's Association. We rebuilt their Fishermen's Association and we rebuilt a little restaurant that they had. We're working on some roofs in Toa Baja, which is around here. We're doing 23 houses. We did 5 houses in Mount Nabo. We're doing 5 houses also in Loíza. Tomorrow I'm taking the materials to a house in Lares that we're also rebuilding. And that family actually right now is living on a camping tent. A little camping thing, and there's 4 people there, and one of the woman is about 56, and the gentleman is 64 years old, so they're not young people. So we're kind of working all around the island.
Jorge, you mentioned regarding the rebuilding of homes and so forth. What kind of homes are you talking about? Are these residents, families? Who are they?
For example, the community that we're rebuilding in Toa Baja, the 23 houses, which is our biggest project right now.
23 houses?
23 houses in the same community. That area was donated by the municipality to them with the promise that if they build their houses, the government was going to give them a paperwork. But that municipality's mayor, declared bankruptcy last year and kind of just disappeared. So these people are right now, they have the land, they had their homes, but the hurricane struck and now they don't have paperwork, so they can't go to FEMA and tell FEMA I lost this and that because they don't have the paperwork. So we're dealing with a community that was already under the economic situation of Puerto Rico, and we're rebuilding the homes that cannot stand roofs because there's some homes that the walls are not going to hold the roof, like the one that we're doing. So we are rebuilding the house from ground up. On the ones that need it, the ones that don't need it, we're just doing the support structure and then the structure of the roof. But it's on one community, and you can see it here. We're gonna have like a Google map, a Google view. So it's a small community, as you can see. But if you can see, this is not pavement. This is dirt road. It's dirt road, and they have the water that the whole community has is through a 1-inch pipe that distributes water to everybody. So you can guess the quality of the water there.
You mentioned the rebuilds. Are you thinking at any time and point in time that you're gonna implement solar panels, energy?
Our main intent from the beginning was to be able to not only give them a roof, but also kind of take them off the grid in terms of solar and maybe water. We were thinking in this community actually of doing I don't know how do you call it in English, a hole in the ground that digs out water.
A well.
A well. Yeah, thank you. We're doing a well, and also the solar roofs. The municipality with the mayor. She's thinking of doing some solar roofs also. So hopefully we'll get to that in the soon time.
Okay.
Because right now the situation with the electric company, they said that they were going to sell it, and then they don't do anything about it. So people don't know what's going to happen right now, especially with the electric company.
3, 4, 5, 5. Got it?
Yeah. See how it works?
Yeah. Practice.
Got a lot of